Hello friends, my name is Kelvin and you're welcome to Kelvin Mathematics class. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube, check my YouTube. It's at the top above and follow me. So when I post videos like this, you'll be the first to see it. Alright, we have this question here. It says x to the power of 5 upon 3 and it's adding 2x to the power of 4 upon 3, then minus 3x equals to 0. And we are asked to find the value of x. So what we're going to do here is, first of all, you have this. So what I'm going to do is to factorize. So if I factorize here, I'll bring out the common factor here, which is x. So I'll open it up. So we'll have x 5 upon 3 minus 1. That's for this. And let me also factorize this. X is common, so I'll have 2x raised to the power of 4 upon 3 minus 1. Then here I'll have 3x equals to, x out and 3 in. So now this will now be x into x. 5 minus 3 should be giving me 2 upon 3. Then plus, x into 2x raised to the power of 4 minus 3 should give me 1 upon 3 minus x into 3 equals to 0. So now I can factorize everything out as x. Since x is common, then I have x raised to the power of 2 upon 3 plus 2x raised to the power of 1 upon 3 minus 3 equals to 0. So now that means my first value of x here is equals to 0. From what I have here, the first value of x is equals to 0. Now, if you look at what is in the brackets here, we can also still, we can do something here. What is in the bracket is x raised to the power of 2 over 3. But I'm going to try to factorize this as x raised to the power of 1/3, then everything out squared. If you understand this, from powers of powers, we find that x, the 2 can multiply the power here, which will still give me 2 divided 3. Alright, having got that, I can now also say, let a or any value just be equals to what I have inside here. So anywhere I see this, I should be putting a. So anywhere I see x to the 1/3 power, I should be putting a. Alright, so what I'm going to do here now, on these here, I'm going to be having x 1 over 3 from what I have here, all squared, then plus 2 into x 1/3, then minus 3 equals to 0. So anywhere I see this, like I've told you, we should just put a. So I can have a squared plus 2a minus 3 equals to 0. It's making sense now. Yes, this is a quadratic equation. So quickly we are going to factorize this. Let's factorize this and see. Let's factorize this. We have two values of a there, so I'll put a here. Then here I need two values that when they multiply should give me minus 3, and when they add up should be giving me plus 2. I think those values should be minus 3, or let me say minus 3 minus 1, or let me put it like this, 3 and minus 1. So when we times this, it should be giving me this. And when we add these up, should be giving me, a value of 2. So that means I have my factors here. So I can now say, therefore, my a plus 3 into a minus 1 is equals to 0. So my a now is equals to 3. A plus 3 is equals to 0. And I can also have my a minus 1 equals to 0. So now I can now find the value of my a as minus 3 and my a here as plus 1. Now remember we said let our a be x. Remember we said let a be x raised to the 1/3 power. So but my a here is minus 3 equals to x to the 1/3 power. So what am I going to do here? You see that in this case I'll be having, if I take the the cube root of both sides, I can have here as this to the cube and this to the cube. So I can have this as minus 27 equals to, you see this 3 can cancel out, I can have my x. So I have my second value of my x as 27. Remember we also said that let the second value of a, the second value of a is 1, so I can have my x to the 1/3 power equals to 1. So let me solve this. So just take the cube root, this cube of both sides. You will be having x raised to power 1/3 times 3 equals to 1 all to the power of 3. So this 3 cancels 3. I have my x to be equals to 1. So therefore, first value of x is equals to 0. My second value of x is equals to 27, as in minus, and my third value of x will be equals to 1. So these are the solutions to this, and if you substitute this into that, you should also verify that everything there will be equals to 0. Alright friends, I believe you got value from this. I will catch you up in my next video. Bye bye.